Ilanna.
Hi guys.
Today we're making princess cookie dough bars.
I'm so excited.
First, 1 stick of soft butter.
Melted butter. One cup of brown sugar.
Oh my gosh, that looks like kinetic sound. Damn it?
Yeah.
Now we mix.
Oh my gosh.
Now we're going to put the sweet condensed milk. Oh my gosh. It looks like heavy cream.
Yeah. Now we are going to put the flour in.
Flour. Plus 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Okay, I'll hold it. Now for the fun part.
Chocolate chips and sprinkles. Oh my gosh.
Now I need, do you want mix first?
No, you.
No, it's okay.
No, you. Yes, you.
No, it's it.
Yes.
No, it's it.
Oh, fine. Ugh. Oh my god.
That's so yum. Okay, now I mix.
How about we mix together?
Yeah.
Now you're going to put a piece of parchment paper on
I push it in that way.
Here's my tip. Put the parchment paper down so the cake batter doesn't stick. Once you pour your batter in, spread it nice and even. Can someone, Ilanna, can you help me here?
Thank you.
Let it chill in your refrigerator
For 1 hour.
Now we're gonna melt the chocolate. First, you put water and put it to a boil. Now put a bowl that fits on top. This is called a double boiler. Now you're gonna put pink chocolates, whatever chocolate you want. Actually. Come on! Now we're gonna mix it until it's all melted. Now we're gonna put the chocolate on top. Now we're gonna do the sprinkles.
Time for scissors. Now, my one.
Oh my gosh, you're crazy!
It's all done, guys.
Come on, Ilanna, let's eat it.
Okay.
Bye, guys.